The Bota linear track positioner includes three elements: strong and solid frame, linear track L positioner, welding robot arm with MAG process. The standard equipment, including power source from world power source provider safety equipment. All this is integrated into a highly capable solution. The footprint with the standard light curtain is 8.5 square meters. It is easy to move and is transportable with regular forklift. The robot positioner are in one piece. It is easily relocated according to your factory layout. No foundation is needed. Bota linear track robot station, everything is designed with operator in mind to make the welding easy, efficient, and safe. One important feature is that the robot and the positioner movements in perfect synchronization. The robot welding arm and the workpiece is perfect harmony. The core linear track, Bota developed auto-scan software to enhance adaptability in welding. It is an excellent investment for all future-looking companies. Bota linear track positioner is an excellent investment for all future-looking companies. Whether you are about to take your first step into robot or a big company planning to expand your manufacture, this is a solution for you. We hope you enjoy this walk-around video.